I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've accidentally deleted your Instagram stories and want to recover them, follow these steps to get them back. Step 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account where the stories were originally posted. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile where you can access your posts and stories. Step 3. Access archive. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. View archive stories. In the archive section, you can switch between stories archive and post archive. Make sure you are in stories archive to find your deleted stories. Step 5. Restore your story. Find the story you want to recover, tap on it, and then select the 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Choose share to repost it to your story or save it to your device. If you don't see your deleted story in the archive, it may not be recoverable. Always double check your settings to ensure that your stories are being archived automatically in the future. I hope this helps you recover your stories. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.